Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of image upscaling AIs. I've tested 7 different free image upscale AIs, compared them with each other, and today, I'm going to show you which one is the best for you. Just to be clear, this is a completely objective review based on the tests I conducted, and I'm not sponsored by any of these websites. So, let's get started and see which image upscale AI reigns supreme. I compared these upscale AIs using multiple images of different sizes to see which one performs best across various scenarios. Most of the programs I'm showing you today have both free and paid versions, but I'll be focusing only on the free options. Media.io, Upscale.media, HitPaw, DGB, LOL, Pixelcut, and UpscalePix. Let's start with the worst performer, Media.io. Not only were the results subpar, but you also only get one trial image before you have to pay. Given the better free options available, I wouldn't recommend this one. Media.io's AI image enhancer didn't just fail in terms of quality, it also has a very restrictive free tier. You get only one trial image, and the result isn't impressive enough to justify the cost. The upscaled images were blurry and lacked detail, making it the least effective option among those I tested. Next, we have Upscale.media. While it's fast and allows you to scale 10 images per day for free, the quality isn't the best. It's better than Media.io, but still not impressive. Upscale.media stands out for its speed, allowing you to upscale up to 10 images per day without paying. However, the quality of the upscaled images is average at best. The results are better than Media.io, but they still lack the sharpness and detail you might need for high-quality projects. HitPaw offers better quality than the previous two but comes with a downside, a watermark on the bottom right of your upscaled images. Despite this, the output quality is definitely a step up. HitPaw's free version provides significantly better quality than Media.io and Upscale.media. The downside is the watermark, which can be a deal breaker for professional use. However, if you're looking for better quality without paying, and you don't mind the watermark, HitPaw is a viable option. Now, onto the best free upscale results, which came from DGB, LOL, Pixelcut, and UpscalePix. These 3 tools produced almost identical results, possibly using the same engine. They deliver the best free results out there. Each of these top performers has its own strengths. DGB, LOL allows you to upscale multiple images simultaneously, but server load can sometimes lead to long wait times. Pixelcut, on the other hand, is incredibly fast and user-friendly, but it only supports one image at a time. UpscalePix is unique because it works offline, so if you're concerned about privacy and prefer not to upload your images to the cloud, it's an excellent choice. DGB, LOL's interface is straightforward and lets you queue multiple images for upscaling. Pixelcut offers a sleek, easy-to-navigate interface, making it perfect for quick, single-image enhancements. UpscalePix requires installation but provides offline functionality, which is a big plus for those working with sensitive images. Keep in mind, while upscaled images are much better than their low-res versions, they still can't fully match the quality of the original high-res images. My examples were exaggerated to highlight the differences, but in most cases, you'll be working with higher quality images, resulting in even better upscaled results. If you're willing to spend some money, I recommend Gigapixel. It costs $99 and offers lifetime access, delivering the best image upscale results. But for today, we're focusing on the free options. So, to wrap up, the best free image upscale AIs are DGB, LOL, Pixelcut, and UpscalePix. Each has its own strengths, so choose the one that best fits your needs. For quick single image upscaling, go with Pixelcut. For multiple images, dB. LOL is your best bet. And for offline use, Upscale Picks is the way to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, reviews, and tips to help you stay ahead in the tech world. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.